push person of economic struggles to Kawakawas. I remember it, I know. How are we going to move or acknowledge the fact that we are generally going to lose our indigenous language if we don't do necessary steps to preserve it by learning to do introspection on how are we kufu or broken by seeing we are landless, languageless and cultureless by a colonial system designed to gaslight us. Sida huvapa ta ra utara wap gesida necessity pau pau. We preserve our language because it's our pride and identity. I, Jeffrey Urasu Botako, Hartzenberg, hails from Klapmuts, a village hamlet near Stellenbosch in Garima or South Africa or the Kai Mari. I am an Aunano group or descendant from the Khoikhoi clan, the Kurimakweb high stander. Through my craft as a typer, ma or poet rapper, I cousin or learn myself Khoikhoi, so getting ďURUSEN or self-love as I was subjected to kufu or brokenness from being unable to learn from a young age by Masi Guvagu or indigenous language. Yet we sit with a government that are still mute about the actions to be implemented in keeping alive Khoikhoi and her sister Nu. Then you ask yourself that what can I do? And that is where the elephant in the room are being addressed. You go to your local school, library and even consult with stakeholders, legislative language bodies. Reviving and keeping our languages alive is of critical importance, since as soon as you cut off a nation's tongue, you hurt their self-esteem. As per se, this is the following ways I have identified how to revive or reclaim our languages. I have noticed that why it is important to relive Khoikhoi, connection to your Abogan or ancestors, ďURUSEN or self-healing, building of community, knowledge of thyself and culture, welfare, positive mental health, cognitive excellence. Why does a language define a community? Belonging, heritage. Forget not those who have sacrificed their lives for our resistance. Indigenous knowledge. Sida hovas, sida koop. Our language, our land.